Hello guys. So this video will talk about analysis, the statistical analysis. So now until now we have spoken about selecting your studies, collecting the data. Once the data is all finalized, you collect it in such a way that it's easy to export the numbers onto the statistics software. So coming to the analysis itself, there are multiple statistical softwares that you can use. If you have a friend, who is very good at doing the analysis, use them. If you have a statistician, use them. If you know how to do it by yourself, definitely go ahead. So I attended those CMA workshops, in-person workshop. It's like a 3-day workshop, and they will teach you basics of meta-analysis and also walk you through real life examples of how to navigate and how to use the CMA software. And so the first time I attended this workshop in 2016, I was mainly focusing on how to learn or how to navigate the various tabs and buttons on the software, how to import data from an Excel sheet onto the software, how to get the I-square heterogeneity value, how to generate a forest plot, meta regression and those kind of things. Statistics can be done on the meta package on our software. I think the other software is RevMan. So I have no personal experience with those softwares. CMA software, I personally feel is, has a user-friendly interface. I know a couple of friends who have self-learned actually, they just read books by Dr. Michael Borenstein, um, common mistakes in meta-analysis, how to do meta-analysis. And he has a lot of videos of how to use the CMS software on his website, which is metaanalysis.com. I have a link provided on my forestplot.com website. So use the software that you are comfortable with. Pay attention that CMA only works on Windows. So if you have a Mac laptop, you need to have Windows on it, either via Parallels or using that bootcamp feature of Mac operating system. So I think that's about the statistical softwares that you can use, and feel free to use whichever you are comfortable with. And then the main thing that makes this whole process easy is to ensure that the data is collected in such a way that it's easy to import onto the CMS software. And also the first column where the study name and year is mentioned, those things automatically come on the forest plot image, the final image. So going back and editing those is a painful process. You have to edit it on the main sheet, and then each time you have to generate a forest plot if the author name and the year is misspelled or wrongly entered. So pay attention to the reference manager that you use and what name and year comes up on the reference list in your paper. That should match with the information that you provide in your main table, and also it should match what comes up on the final forest plot images. Thank you.